Welcome to NinZa.co family. Today, we're going to walk through setting up KingRenko bar on your NinjaTrader 8 chart. Firstly, head to NinZa.co's download zone to obtain the KingRenko bar zip file and the trader manual to familiarize yourself with your new bar. Then don't forget to access your license manager to activate your KingRenko bar on your own. Secondly, import the KingRenko zip file into your NinjaTrader 8 platform. Next, from the Control Center, click New, and then select Chart to create a new chart. You will see the Data Series window. Now, select your trading instrument and choose KingRenko from the Type menu. If you're feeling adventurous and want different ratios for the brick size and trend threshold, feel free to explore further customization options in two ways. Option 1. Click on the Data Series icon or right-click on the chart to open the Data Series window and customize the ratios for KingRenko. Alternatively, Option 2. Navigate to the timeframe selector, click Configure at the bottom right, then click Add in the Intervals column. Set up KingRenko on the timeframe selector and adjust the ratios as desired. Our trading team recommends using KingRenko with the following ratios. For instruments such as NQ and YM, ratios like 20-4, 16-6, 12-4, etc. are suggested due to their strong and frequent price fluctuations measured in ticks. For instruments like ES, CL, and GC, ratios such as 9-3 or 8-4, 6-3, etc. are recommended. Based on this recommendation, you can explore further to find the ratio that aligns with your trading preferences. Now let's witness how KingRenko works its magic with an indicator. Thank you for being a valued member of the NinZa.co community. May your journey with KingRenko bar be filled with prosperity and fruitful trading experiences.